Hello friends, welcome to Lawyer's Kingdom. How are you doing today? Here is a more detailed explanation of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences (POCSO) Act in India. The Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, commonly known as the POCSO Act, is a comprehensive legislation enacted in 2012 to address the growing concern of child sexual abuse and exploitation in India. The Act was introduced to provide a robust legal framework for the protection of children and ensure their safety from sexual offences. The POCSO Act defines various forms of sexual offences committed against children, including penetrative and non-penetrative assault, sexual harassment, using children for pornography, and other forms of sexual exploitation. It recognizes that children are particularly vulnerable to such crimes and requires special safeguards and support. One of the key objectives of the POCSO Act is to ensure the speedy and child-friendly investigation, prosecution, and trial of cases involving child victims. Special provisions are in place to protect the privacy, dignity, and identity of the child throughout the legal process. Special courts, designated exclusively for POCSO cases, are responsible for conducting the trials and delivering justice in a time-bound manner. Reporting of child sexual offences is mandatory under the POCSO Act. Any person, including family members, teachers, doctors, or even strangers, who has knowledge or suspicion of a child being subjected to sexual abuse, is legally obligated to report it to the police or the local child welfare committee. Failure to report such offences is punishable under the Act. The Act mandates the establishment of Special Juvenile Police Units (SPO) in each district, comprising specially trained police officers to handle cases involving child victims. These units are responsible for conducting the initial investigation, collecting evidence, and coordinating with other agencies involved in child protection. The POCSO Act imposes stringent punishment on offenders based on the severity of the offence. The minimum punishment for most offences is imprisonment for a term not less than 3 years. It can extend up to life imprisonment or even the death penalty in cases of aggravated sexual assault. The Act also provides for stringent punishment for repeat offenders. To ensure the well-being and rehabilitation of child victims, the POCSO Act includes provisions for the appointment of a support person or guardian who can assist and guide the child during the legal proceedings. It also mandates the provision of counseling, medical care, and other necessary support services to aid the child's physical and psychological recovery. In addition to legal provisions, the POCSO Act emphasizes the importance of preventive measures, public awareness campaigns, and the promotion of child rights. It aims to create a safe environment for children, where they can grow and develop without fear of sexual exploitation. For example, let's consider a case where a 10-year-old girl is sexually abused by a neighbor. Upon learning about the abuse, her parents immediately report the matter to the police. The police initiate an investigation, collect evidence, and record the girl's statement in a child-friendly manner. The case is then forwarded to the special court designated under the POCSO Act. During the trial, the special court ensures the child's privacy and well-being by employing child-friendly procedures. The accused is provided legal representation, and the prosecution presents evidence to prove the offence. If the accused is found guilty, the court pronounces the appropriate punishment as per the provisions of the Act. The POCSO Act serves as a crucial tool in combating child sexual abuse, protecting children's rights, and providing justice to victims. It establishes a strong legal framework, sensitizes stakeholders, and promotes a child-centric approach to ensure the safety, well-being, and dignity of every child in the country. Please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe.